Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Electrify America stall problems with PlugShare checks, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, locate the nearest Electrify America charging station using the PlugShare app. Open the PlugShare app on your device. Tap on the map icon to display nearby charging stations. Search for Electrify America to filter the results. Select the closest station to your current location. Check the station's status on PlugShare. Look for any reported issues with the stalls. Read through the comments from other users for specific problems. Make note of any stalls that are marked as down or inoperable. If the stalls show as operational, proceed to the station. Upon arrival, park your vehicle close to a working stall. Before plugging in, verify the charger's status using the PlugShare app. If the charger is operational, connect your vehicle's charging cable to the charger. Follow the on-screen prompts on the charging station. Begin the charging session and monitor the progress. If the stall is not functioning, take a look at neighboring stations listed on PlugShare. Check for any alternative nearby Electrify America locations. If you encounter a severe issue, document your experience with the stall through PlugShare. Include the station ID and a description of the problem. Share your findings to help others in the community. Consider reaching out to Electrify America's customer support if issues persist. Provide them with details about the malfunctioning stall for their records. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate stall problems at Electrify America stations using PlugShare. Always remember to check the app for real-time updates before heading to a charger. This method helps ensure a smoother charging experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.